Ready to protect your front door with a complete picture? With the Arlo Video Doorbell, you'll rest easy with always-on security. See a person from head to toe and packages on the ground with a 180-degree diagonal field of view. Choose to capture clear details in 1080p high definition, or you can upgrade to the Video Doorbell 2K. You can install without wires using the rechargeable battery, or hardwire to existing wiring for continuous power. Plus, no matter the weather, the Video Doorbell is designed to withstand heat, cold, rain, or shine. You'll also be able to see who's at your front door even at night thanks to its amazing night vision. View critical details even in low light. You'll receive a video call right to your phone so you never miss a visitor. Oh, like this. Speak and hear with two-way audio to anyone at your front door. Be right there. My pizza's here. And if you're unable to answer, don't worry. Guests can leave a voice message, or you can send a pre-recorded quick reply. With an Arlo Secure plan, customize the areas your doorbell detects motion, access 30 days of video history and events, and see what has triggered an alert, all from your phone's lock screen. With advanced object detection, you'll know the difference when a person, package, vehicle, or animal is detected. Inside or out, Arlo has the products to protect your everything.